have my vehicle, Mercedes Benz 2012 C300. Recently I started smell gas inside the vehicle and also behind the wheel from the other side. So I'll show you what is the problem here shortly. After doing my research, where's the problem? Find the problem. That is the problem on the passenger side, the fuel tank cover. So which is Mercedes recommended to not fill the tank all the way up, so that will cause the damage. To remove the back seat, it's a little bit tricky. You need to lift from the side and then pull from the front. So here's the clips. See that clips here? It goes in here in the bottom and will come off. All right, so here's the other side. As you see, just seat up. See? And after we remove the seat, the back seat, here's the passenger side. So we'll remove that one to the side a little bit, make sure not dirt. And here is 4 screws has to be removed. We use the drill. We'll see what is the problem here. And where's the smell coming off? Make sure the screw stays with you. Look at the problem here. That is the problem. See the leak? See the gas here? Okay. So just press this button and it will come off like that. Okay, make sure it's away. And the other part here, if you see this little button, press it, pull off. Now we disconnect everything. Now after we remove the screws, we come up here, remove this little piece of metal, and we come up to that piece, and we see it inside the tank here, and we have to disconnect this connection from here. All right, see here the little clip, press it, be careful not okay, here we come off, and we're gonna install the new one. So make sure all the direction is same. All right, see, please come up like that. Hear the click. Now in the place. Now make sure the seal is in the proper place, and then we'll place it back. All right, now we placed everything back in here. Okay, let me check first, see what's going on in here. Yep, now we place this back in its spot, make sure it fit properly, bring the metal, okay, here now. So I'm gonna do the same thing, exactly how it was designed before. Not gonna make any changes. That's that how it was. So got the extension. Be careful with your hands. Okay. Now we bring the other connector make sure we're on the right direction. See, comes here, clipped, and we have another one in here, which is okay. Okay, everything in spot, and we good. Now, there you have it, guys. Seats have been changed, seat back in place, everything good. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.